Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically hide like pins on Pinterest if you've seen it too much. So for instance, I've seen this pin too much. I haven't, but I'm just going to assume that it's a pin that you've seen a lot. So to do that, you're just going to select the three dots and select hide pin. You can also tell Pinterest why. There's a not relevant, not in a language, not in a language I understand, sorry. And you've seen this pin too many times, blurry or pixelated image, or other. It's going to select seen pin too many times, and it won't show this pin again in the future, but you can also undo it if you've accidentally hidden the pin. So that's pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.